Okay, I'm back with my follow-up video from about a year ago due to a request from a viewer. I've got this RGA42FM upgraded recently. I was going to say probably more like about a year ago. I actually upgraded this with the Fishman Fluence Modern Humbucker 6-string set. I picked up from, I think it was Pro Audio Star, pretty cheap. This guitar has turned out to be a great player. I mean, it has tons of scars and little scratches and nicks and stuff. Just a couple of small dings here and there. That Gibraltar bridge is a fantastic bridge on this thing. There's the packaging, of course, for the Fishman Fluence. I can honestly say this has been a surprisingly a good guitar for the money I've got into it. I mean, I got this thing for small money on Facebook Marketplace about a year ago, and it has really been a great little guitar to mess around with, and it feels good. It's got decent action. Of course, the access panels back here, all this stuff was cleaned out. I had to put the battery pack in right here where you can see that's where the battery pack goes for these Fishman Fluences. And of course, tone controls in there. I had to rewire all of that to upgrade it to Fishman Fluence. This kit that it did come with has everything you need to wire this thing. The hard part is finding the wiring diagrams you may need. It does take a little bit of digging through the online communities to find the right setup. But overall, man, this has been a great little guitar that has just come together on its own, and I'm very happy for it. I'm going to play a couple samples here for you, and we'll see what it sounds like. Forgive the playing, I'm terrible. There's some samples there for you from the Fishman Fluence, those modern humbuckers. You know, from a clean, trying to sweep it up a little bit through the different variations of the tonal qualities that they have. Doing the coil split, I think these pickups are fantastic. My playing does no justification to these things, and I certainly hope you guys appreciated it. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great one.